Bring the hob and blanket into the installation area and rest them on the counter. Unpack the hob by guiding a knife along the corners of the packaging, taking care not to damage the product. Remove the packaging from the hob and place the burner and pan supports onto the blanket. Put the polystyrene to one side to use later as a base for the gas hob. Pick up the gas hob and place it upside down onto the polystyrene supports. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. For the next step, you will need a screwdriver, the 4 screws and 4 brackets. Mount the 4 brackets onto the corners, angle towards the centre of the hob. Mount the knee to the gas pipe using a wrench. Attach the sealant tape carefully onto the edges of the hob. Insert the hob into the worktop cutout, making sure the electrical cord goes through the hole. Replace the burners and the pan supports onto the hob. Remove the drawer from the furniture and from beneath the hob, turn the 4 brackets into position, fixing the hob to the worktop. Place the drawer back into position. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.